Hey, welcome to Bellissimo Colors. Today, we're going to be showing you how to install our kitchen backsplashes. Before we start, here are some things you will need. Latex gloves, painter's tape, and a caulking gun. Remember to make sure your wall is level before starting. The glass must sit on top of a sturdy base to hold it in place to keep it from sliding down. Starting with step 1, place the glass on a soft blanket. Step 2, flip the glass so that it is paint side up and add the silicone in 1-inch circles away from the edges, covering most of the glass. Step 3, with the silicone applied, install the glass from the bottom and then push upwards for an easier fit. Step 4, once the glass is in position, the installer should hold it in place by pressing on the glass for 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the silicone to settle. Step 5, with the backsplash up, apply the painter's tape on all corners of the glass and anywhere else you feel may be needed. Step 6, leave the painter's tape on the glass for 72 hours before removing. This will give the silicone time to cure. Once 72 hours have passed, you are now able to clean the glass with a cloth. And that's how you install your kitchen backsplash. If you need assistance installing your backsplash or would rather leave that to us, contact us at info@bellissimocolors.com or call us at 1-954-906-8111 for immediate assistance.